usonale
sibe nodliwa nodlebe sibe nodliwa nodlebe sibe nencoko with the legends.
Molweni, welcome to Incoko with the legends. Yeah, I host the Tulani class. Another special episode. Another inspiring story, another legend. Sihlala nabantu abenza izinto who do things that are beyond even imaginations, Ise indwenye, ise mission A1, ise vision A1. This is a platform, eyakreatwayo ngabantu abathanda abantu abafuna change society, space safe whereby sihlala nabantu abenza izinto guys, in all walks of life. Asikhethi bantu bathile, sihlale nabo bashare izitori zabo ngendlela yabo singakhange sizi-edithe thina, okukhulu kukuncoma, uku-appreciate. It's all about the gratitude to say inkosini ngale nto niyenzayo, because nina ningakhange niyazi but kukho igeneration ethile niyikhulisayo ngale nto inkulu niyenzayo. So whether uba niyayeka kuloo nto leyo nizaba kanti ezasizwe senisinansukile niyasibulala. So kukuba ncoma sibakhuthaza nto bangaziyeki ezinto zobazenzayo. Namhlanje also sihleli ne-special guest, I say specials because really like, istory sakho futhi. So like sihleli nomuntu owenze finding yourself, umuntu ozaziyo, umuntu ozikholelwayo, umuntu ozaziyo but that mna ndiyibrand, mna ndindimi already, Guys, subscribe to the page yethu, niviewe nilike man, ningene na page yethu ka Facebook, Incoko with the legends. Ningene ku page yethu nifollow, okukhulu guys, ni comment, kubakho umuntu oyilegend enicinga uyilegend, isithe upstairs kuye, sinokole naye istory sakhe sikhuthaza ukuthi nakuni guys, Please welcome me uViper M. Buda. Grand. Kondo futhi okuqala futhi ukubulela futhi to honor invite. I know that busy kakhulu, So inkosi kakhulu Buda yami. Okuqala uViper ngubani, sukaphi yonke le uwemayi wakho Buda yami.
uViper igama lami ngamanyanga uVyolwethu. Vyolwethu azaba mbizo Vyolwethu, and then ngokwala Pitinaga eBhama. So ngikhulela Pitinaga, yabo. uViper ke is about is the bodybuilding. Yabo, bodybuilding yonke la nto kuba ndijene kufanisa ngomuntu wena slim. But hey, mina weka Viper. uViper lo nento so stage. I've always been a stage person. So we do like over there. That's how we came about uViper. So I come on and touch a man come and to my advantage. So Viper. Then Viper became a household name. Especially at Tina. Even as a spa at work, these are all Viper. Some people even forget. Yeah. I always say to my friends or Abazalbam or my close friends, if someone calls me Viper, doesn't know me personally, doesn't check social media. But if you to Vyolwethu, as if you are that's way back. So they like
So like, and I was saying before you chatted, we influence, So lendo yoba like lokishini once to like akholelwe kuye but unamachamba, like personally like kuba ndikwazi I was also club up hey machamba. but now after managed when she producer show like get classes man send it background check like sijonge into zenza I was like ayiwo machamba umuntu okholelwayo kuye lo umuntu like ophila pha kuye ngaphakathi so yonke lento like iqale nini kuwe like uzibone ba hey man ndiyibrand mos iqala nini lo nto kuya
when there's from a crèche mama mke watana was competition from a crèche primary there's modeling. I didn't know abilities are about AI. There was high school, there's modeling a lot. High school, Mr. Gamble, Mr. High School, but that time I was sleeping on myself. I was immature, long done. There's a J for fun life. Then after high school, there's a bodybuilding. Still, I was sleeping on myself, their job, their pangela, focus on my coupling days. And then it hit me, you mean, I was in PE. So I was with a group of guys, then I met a out there model, but the out there I say, so the out there, you sleeping on yourself. Killing us, you sleep on yourself. To the name, hey, come on, sometimes come on, cheat as I do. Was catch up, not killing it, but hey, what I'm saying. I'm okay. Okay, let me try a different route. Okay, I did. So the man is Porsche, man 40 pictures, the man is hype about me. This advertising, this market, I'm good at marketing myself. So this man, where I was, I call up Facebook. Is a joke. You know, I like doing jokes. So the joke is top 10 success guys, South Africa. So by joke then, like if they can do it, and even I look better than these niggas. Okay, the Palapago, Facebook, top 10, the top 10 success guys, and the comes and the joke, and the so Kalepago. So then. Whoever now you is a top there, you're gonna wait. So apparently there's a photo shoots, music gigs, there's a modeling, there's a I did 3 shoots. I have a shoot even this month, end of this month, like this spring. So I have a shoot I have like boutiques. Come see the boutique every double ball, we are about double ball list. Yeah, like those sponsoration gets sued to my back. Go by a tie down, like, oh, we are about joy goons. So, bad man, it's a little till is a 10. Yeah, so I've been working like that. Now I'm getting the support, now I support.
Like the like before the name like even Elizabeth Spilabulo is run by ideas. One or back idea one and after guys who can do this, who can change it. Singataban Babachumi. Who can you picture like it caught my attention because like but I was like I was like that's the powerful thing to say guys, you have to look at me.
Yeah.
So, like, how do you describe by influencer? What does it mean, like, to influencer in your, like, they are doing?
Influence. By influencer, there's different type of influencers.
Yes.
But now, my goal is to influence in a good way. The never now, I have about I impact Bombabo in the right way. So you know one can bonayo, like a be proud of attack. Yabo, Tata because Mama get a attack. Oh, miss Tata. So by can very left never to be away. So now influencing people because nowadays everyone is by influence of trial. If you check my social media, you'll never see me post about alcohol or the particular level because society nowadays is run by alcohol, booze. So I'm going to self-love, who's tired as a person, who's tired. Motivate about man in a different way. You don't have to party in a specific brand to be relevant. So the picture you cover photo, be ideal a photographer in the pool. So I was standing in the first terrain about it was in a part of hotel. So in the middle, another guy said, yeah, so I emailed move. So he took a picture. And then by years I had him because they so and then we were about pictures I post and then I put it as my cover photo. So people were like, and calling into the as in videos up to they get, but I don't reveal. It means that they're stand up. I'm comfortable in my own skin, my body, and go home. Sorry, I don't care, but opinion you're negative towards what I'm doing. I bet it leaks. I'm doing what I'm doing. I'm telling it
And guys, I want you to understand this. As I'm listening, when we tell you know, about Nabani now, you know, Indwana like as Jongle. That's the impact. That's the reason why to say like, because I didn't know like Lenduyenza it goes that deeper. To say, listen, I have a generation that even that he must try to like must be inspired. That's why I put up a platform in here, you know, to say, guys, come tell your story. You understand? So you know, like the bodybuilding thing, you know, like you know, like you like for to Brenda or what you don't
bodybuilding. Born like as a person, born like I grew up as a skinny person. So going as a modeling, kwako product wa kuseko hela kala. So the Roman gave a modeling shows dala, especially Mr. High School or Mr. Whitney. So this guy at that time, the winner gave competition. Sa tatong Edgar's. Dalamos cars were by mannequin, a human mannequin. So it's him by Scaligar. Hello, from for them, we would go far if no gain a bit. So that you meet me. I call it that you haven't taken his prove your power. Go for you. So, the color patch would say, slowly but sure. So, you get their child, will be see child, well, I will. So all it seems I had done a lot because the challenges, cook ups and downs, I lose an Espani or away, but I didn't stress didn't so it's a bit that is stress
therapy somewhere.
Therapy because the reason why the job not come if you be stress or you are depressed, do something, or if you come in a cycle, a chichala cycle, if you come do something in a different way, you never know by some person. So that's what I did.
But listening when we tell you know, it's always been there.
Yeah,
as our model show was the school.
It's
always been there. But it needed you, but we call it to say this is this. Yeah. Guys, so we are going to Viper and guys.
Siben and Incoko with the legends. Siben and Incoko with the legends.
Welcome back, guys. We Incoko with the legends. It's actually no Viper. Viper, guys, you should know this guy. Search for Facebook. Viper, top 10.
Viper M.
Viper M. Search for Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Yeah. And guys, it's that thing of saying, you know, ben's impact, abantu who about change, abantu ababona ingxaki kwi-society and say, listen, ngale persona ndiyiyo mna but I'm going to try to make a change. You know, put vibe of your life, you know, usixelele istory sakhe and say, yonke lento, it's always been there, you understand, it needed you, you know, that's why we always put as a lento sithetha Incoko legend, you know, find yourself, you know, believe in yourself, you know, and understand the role yakho ebomini, you know, because once you ungazenza ezo nto you will be like lost because now uzawufuna utsaleka ngapha nangapha because you don't know yourself, you know. So when I put a Viper kuba kule nto ye-photoshoot kakhulu, like uzibona as the model or like ithini plan behind, there's a plan like a vision.
A vision behind the photo shoot. I want to be out there, but the I'm doing photo shoots and getting paid, coming dash wherever, advertise the team or whatever, getting paid. So I saw a lot about Kabiko there, and then we have photo shoot like for adverts, you get into Konzikarapitina. So Tinaka limited. So if I was maybe job Cape Town, otherwise, I'm just putting my work there in the universe because I don't know who's watching, and opportunity may arise anytime. Let me apply on TikTok. TikTok post content So you never know who's watching, but call me to
Government, that's the thing, how can we talk a lot about, it's because of government, we also don't want to support us. You understand? Now we have to do things ourselves now.
Yeah.
So like even like for some brand and all that, because I see now you are a brand that is advertising another brand. So like brand combat, I could work for all that, or like in terms of a clothing line.
Needs. Any brand. I can wear any brand because I know that I can suit any category. Maybe it's a sports brand, maybe it's any brand. As long as it's recognized. There's big brands out there, Lipot or so I can wear that brand, any brand. There's because very models are macabre. Okay, I could do better. I could do a lot of damage. I'm planning. We plan. But that's Porsche. That's Porsche because I'm aiming, I'm working on my craft. So they can't Japan. Can do craft job. The bonus about what I'm capable of. That's about I can do this and this. And if now, even England, you can speak for yourself. So they're like, and give the ball active because I can't act. I learn about flashy platform.
Yeah. So like let's say in the next 5 years, because more down
in the next 5 years, my whole plan is to be a businessman. I want to be self-employed. Because upangela nowadays, it's hard. It's hard. Limit potential as big as a person, especially coming for a company. I appreciate your abilities. So I want to be my own businessman, my own employer, or like have my own brand. Because so if I get off the market, I will push myself. You never know where it will be. But can I follow
like you want to be a businessman or that. No one can tell you that you can never do.
Yeah.
I'm speaking for experience, Buddha. For 12 years I was working. And I always ask the question: is this all that there is to life? And the question was no. I'm relating like whenever I pop up, what motivates you? What drives you to be like or to maintain top 10 or to maintain Viper? And what motivates you?
The motivator is every day I want to achieve something new. I want to be the best of me. And one thing about me, I'm I watch videos about who are there already. To watch, I get inspired by them. Most of my photo shoot ideas from France, Europe, South Africa, there. So I motivate myself, man. Motivate, even if I'm down, but I always envision myself deep when I'm there. But so life is can be this can be or it can be manifested until so not as motivator all in all.
And I think you posted it on Facebook, and when you said like you have to do your own push-ups, and because nobody's gonna do it for you. And I'm like really, like literal constant push-up. I was like, wow. And like now I could relate, like put Viper, put like who's funny stories up, and he's launching soon.
Launching soon. I'll be launching October. I'm working on it because the phone brand is very branded. Fully branded. Not if I brand for brand package. Look put it right. because that beard will flick land, squeeze, and then you squeeze it on your head or squeeze it up with. So I'm gonna launch it October as we approach the festive October because when I came to my camp, everyone is there's no one who said it. That's teaching about try, just it got them. If beard oil, you have victims. We can all sell the same, we can all do the same thing. But where now I don't know what to do in order for me to break down. So I'll be launching Beard Oil soon. Check it out.
So guys, so like usivala program story sakho no judge just a few words program like khuthaze like umntana young boy or girl is ojonga wena and like okhanuka just motivate ngamazi nje yabala because really that's why program we had to bring you because like to you to say for you like there's a generation behind the Chongikom, No, just
Umzagel, the sister now 12 years. She's doing modeling. Yeah, Stawa, Mtakamama. There's a modeling, like we as a serious. So the boy impact say fiki. Already. So to motivate youth, about a youth in the Gola life, I wish ndabene discipline. Phone there. Chwala don't be disciplined, find a hobby, always find a hobby. Always find a hobby because if you play sports or in a hobby we as a chess land is keep away from the streets because the streets are very bad nowadays and even the social media and regular TV bolo generations power bolo generation watu kali advantage watu kali advantage it wasn't like era yetu kubekho le positive to don't drink and drive okay boniswe if you remember the advantage age 12 so chai otherwise is sport sport simtako no one of the reason why umnanga komkhulu even good booze achalo chai ke mnanga because as an advert because media is very powerful. So, discipline, and then also progress in life. I believe in yourself always, bro. If you don't set the bar high for yourself, no one will. And just because when you are there, I think they better try you with the pressure of comparing yourself. Never compare yourself to someone else. Appreciate the good night. When I out there, I think last week, out there, I got a job friend who take a Ketil a shop right. The achievement there. Nobody who tell a people right, 50 right. Who tell a skippers 50 right. Achievement, just we survive. So we must learn to appreciate the small things now because
yeah, guys. Uchilo kuviper, guys. Now I'm left like but in the pambil thank you for honoring the invite again. I remember when we talked, for you but the picture idea and say listen, I'm in for it. It's like you are sharing the ideas now because for us also we're about to change. This platform it's about loving. Uba in society. And in upper program is about saying they are your flowers. You are doing it. So also put kitchen wish you all the best. Now the Viper guys. I'll have to go back even in Napoli, go and reevaluate. You understand? Because of what you just said. You said, be the best version of yourself. Believe in yourself. Chilo Viper learn to see better life. And the Tata it's like just imagine the orange. Just imagine the orange. ufike orange juice, in order to complete you as an orange, I must pour this orange juice. How come? You are already an orange. You don't need an orange juice to complete you. Be original. Guys. Be an original. So Incoko, guys, and understand that stay in your lane. Understand that ups and downs, guys. Boom. No, sometimes our ups and downs inside to make sure that this is your journey, this is your role of you understand? So this is Silbal guys, you know, and understand that you must believe in yourself, you know, and have confidence, guys, because I come to Pilaku, and the reason why I talk like that is because of it's funny that because the reason why we need different ID number name, that means that so guys say with the legends, you know. If I was guys, that means you are wasting space. You're redundant. Nalondo asithethe kuba si disorientator or si cekela abantu phansi, but sithetha kuba sikhuthaza guys bazazi man. Chill vibe, be the best version of yourself. Ibai original, guys, you know. Ngene page yethu guys, subscribe, no view, like, you know. Ku Facebook, Incoko with the legends. Now guys, follow the page yethu, you know, like, you know, give us comments if kabanda abafana put vibe about all about the change in the society. Tell us, we'll come. Hlale naye, sinqokole naye, athethe story sakhe kuni, you know, sibe inkuthazo kuni nakuthi. Siyayivala ehloko, ngosini guys.
Sibe no with the legend.